Hi guys, so this is BTC USD, okay, and it's currently on a downtrend, actually on a higher time frame. So just looking at lower time frames for entry points, I've missed already this entry point. This would have been an entry point because it formed a triple top here, and then we had a bearish engulfing, and the next candle tested the neckline of the engulfing, so the perfect entry would have been there. The setup was there, that was missed, and okay, and market has formed pretty much a double bottom, sorry, a triple bottom here. So this up move was a minor retracement, and market is headed straight down. So ideally this is the entry zone for this down move, and it's going straight here to this support, okay, and this is, you can count this as TP1, I suppose. Let's label it TP1, and the next zone is TP2. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I will be back to see how this plays out. Okay, so we do not drag this video out. We are looking for sales on BTCUSD. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Hi guys, we are back, and market just hit TP. Okay, do you remember we said we are looking for entries around here after market basically made a fourth touch here? I expected a potential retracement back to the top, and I expected market to get into this box before coming down and finally breaking this zone officially before getting to the first TP. We still have a second TP that market may or may not hit immediately, but we are finally here at the first TP. So if you're day trading, this would have been a good trade, basically jumping in this zone. Now if you followed the last BTC buy call I made, okay, I prefer to use this box and its arrows and these lines for entry zone, direction of the market with the arrow, and then take profit pretty much with a line. However, after that I pretty much showed you how I would have sorry, let me delete this line, how I would have basically taken it on trading view with the position tool. Okay, I don't use the position tool here. If I did, this would be the entry, and then the stop loss would be somewhere above this here, okay? And of course market did go past this entry zone, we didn't hit here, and then we came down, okay? So if this was trading view, I probably would have used the position tool, okay, for the sell direction. So it would have looked something like this, and then we've gotten here. So this would essentially make it a 1 2 3 from here to, from the entry to the take profit would have been a 1 2 3 trade. And then there's a potential that market could get to TP2. Let's see how this plays out, and I will be right back with you. And don't forget, you know, TP1, usually you collect something after market. So here you would have collected partials or all of your position, whichever one suits you. Most of the time I do collect just at TP1 personally. Okay, there is once in a while where I would hold out some to see if we'll get to TP2, and that some I'll hold out for TP2 potential move. I'll either have the stop loss at break even, well, not quite break even, but just above or below, depending on direction of where of the move we're going. So in this case it's a sell direction, so I would have the stop loss just below the entry so that I'll get taken out in a minor profit. And sometimes I would now put a trailing, so if market kind of retraces a bit too much and I'd like, then I'll get taken out with some profits as well. So at this point it's really up to you, but you would have secured, you know, some positions, you would have secured some pips by now. But let's stay tuned and see if we eventually get a TP2 without market going back to the entry zone. Okay, if not, at least we made it to the first take profit. I'll be right back. Hi guys, so we are back, and of course we saw when market hit the first TP, and it's been playing around that zone for a while now, and it had just basically wicked here, but it still hasn't made it. It's still playing about, so it's taking its time with some retracements in effect. So we are still watching the market for potential hit at TP2. Okay, I will be right back. Hi guys, so we are back, and you can see market has almost hit TP2. It did bounce quite a bit around TP1, no joke, like it took its time, but I think it's gonna hit TP2 pretty soon, maybe right now. Let's see how this plays out. Ooh, it's looking like it's getting some volatility inside the market, guys. Let me close this. There you are. Yay! We just hit TP2, guys. TP2. And the trade is complete. TP1 hit, TP2 hit. We are, yay. We are done, guys. That's it. Okay. So I hope you remember the trade call. Oh, look at it going straight down after all this mess around at TP1. First top, second top, third top. We had the bearish engulfing. I don't just trade channels. There's other methods to my madness. And then we've also had market retest this zone pretty much like 1, 2, 3, and then a fourth time. So I knew market coming down here, I knew the retest was going to be very minor. But you know, I probably could have taken this a bit up here, like a bit up here to test this block, which is where this aligned with, but I was focused on this block here instead, which is still fine because, you know, market didn't go much past it. Okay, so this was still a good entry point for this trade. Okay, and yeah, TP1 hit, consolidation forever, and then TP2 hit, and that brings you to the end of the trade, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell. Guys, if you have any questions or anything you'd like me to discuss, just put it in the comment section. Maybe I'll make a video about it, or I'll answer you right there in the comment section. Also, I'm planning to run a competition in a month's time, so if you like and subscribe and share the channel with other people who might find it useful for their trading, maybe they can win. Thank you. Bye.